Hey kids! Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Get ready to learn!
Have you ever wondered how your favorite games and videos get inside a phone? It feels like magic, but it's actually an amazing mix of art and science. Let's dive inside the screen to discover the secret recipe for making an app.
Every single app starts with a big idea. Just like an architect needs a blueprint to build a house, an app maker needs a plan. They ask questions like, is this a game or does it help with homework? And draw their ideas on paper first.
Next, designers make it look awesome. They pick cool colors, draw funny characters, and decide exactly where the buttons go. It's like designing a superhero costume. It has to look great and be easy to use. Now comes the secret language called code. Computers don't speak English. They speak in special languages like Python or Swift. Writing code is like writing a secret letter to the phone, giving it step-by-step instructions on what to do. Coding uses logic, which is like playing a game of Simon Says with the computer. The programmer writes rules like, if the player touches the coin, then play a ding sound. This tells the app how to react to your fingers. Uh-oh, sometimes things go wrong. We call mistakes in the code bugs, and app makers have to be detectives to find and squash them. They test the app over and over again to make sure it doesn't crash or freeze while you're playing. Once the bugs are gone, it's time for Blastoff. The app is sent to the App Store, which is like a giant digital library for your phone. Now kids all over the world can download it instantly and start having fun. The coolest part is that you don't have to be a grown-up to build an app. With a little imagination and some practice, you can learn to code and build your very own game. So what kind of app would you create?